This is weekly maintenance for the Bobcat. First, we have 10 total grease points. Each takes 1 to 2 pumps. We have a point here, point on either side of these arms down here, and also on the other side. We have a point in here, also on the other side, a point in here, other side as well, and then a grease point, grease point here and here. Okay, we also want to make sure this radiator guard is free of debris. So if there's a bunch of debris on it, go ahead and blow it off. Then we're going to open this hatch door right here. Swing it open. Okay, so we want to check our air filter. This you open up, shake it out, put it back in, make sure this is clear of debris. Next, you want to check the wires to your alternator. Make sure they're in good condition. We want to make sure our oil filters are not leaking anything. You'll see leaks down there. And then you want to check your oil right here, dipstick. And then if it needs oil, fill right there. Make sure your wires down here for the starter are good, and inspect your lines, make sure they're in good condition. And that's weekly maintenance for the Bobcat.